Galaxy S26 Ultra is already making waves months ahead of its official launch. While it might not be a total reinvention of the Ultra series, early leaks suggest it could be Samsung's smartest and most refined update yet. Rather than a flashy overhaul, Samsung appears to be focusing on meaningful upgrades in performance, efficiency, and durability. Let's start with the most important piece: what's under the hood. Samsung is reportedly planning a dual-processor strategy for the S26 lineup, which means the chipset could vary by region, much like previous years. But this time, there's a twist. Not only is Samsung partnering with Qualcomm again, but there's strong talk of Samsung Foundry manufacturing the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 using its advanced 2nm process. That's a major development for Samsung's chip division, potentially restoring confidence after past struggles with its Exynos chips. Now, before we all start worrying about overheating or performance issues like the ones we saw with the S22 Ultra's Exynos variant, there's some relief. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is not expected to use Samsung's in-house 2nm chip, at least not yet. That chip, rumored to be Exynos 2600, is still in development and could debut in future Galaxy foldables instead. For now, the S26 Ultra will reportedly run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 3nm version, built by TSMC, the same chipmaker behind the best-performing Android processors in recent years. This move alone is a smart bet for stability and performance. And speaking of performance, this new chip could offer a 30% improvement in speed, which is huge for a flagship phone. The GPU cache is also being bumped from 12 megabytes to 16 megabytes, which means better graphics and smoother gaming. Samsung is also working on a made-for-Galaxy edition of the chip, specially tuned for better thermal efficiency and real-world speed. To support this boost in performance, Samsung is expected to increase RAM up to 16 gigabytes on the Ultra variant. With base models already shipping with 12 gigabytes, this upgrade seems likely. Even more exciting is the potential shift to next-generation memory, such as LPDDR5X or even early DDR6, making the S26 Ultra one of the most future-proof phones on the market. Now, what about design? Don't expect major changes. The S26 Ultra will closely resemble the S25 Ultra, the same clean lines, rounded corners, and premium titanium frame. Earlier rumors hinted at a reduction in the number of rear cameras, but those have been debunked. The phone will still pack 4 powerful rear cameras, a key selling point for photography enthusiasts. However, one big upgrade is coming to the front glass, which will use a new generation of Gorilla Glass armor. This will improve scratch resistance, durability, and might even help reduce the overall weight slightly. Welcome news for a device with nearly a 7-inch display. While the design remains familiar, it's the internal improvements that make the S26 Ultra feel like more than just a minor refresh. From faster chips and smarter memory to improved battery life and refined build quality, Samsung is focusing on the essentials that matter most. In terms of launch timing, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 is expected to debut in late September, with the first phone shipping in October. Samsung traditionally unveils its S-series flagships early in the year, so the S26 Ultra will likely arrive in Q1 2026, and it will be one of the first to showcase this powerful new chip. So whether you're still holding onto an S22 Ultra or you're considering an upgrade from the S25 Ultra, the S26 might just be worth the wait. With smarter performance, more RAM, cutting-edge memory, and reliable design, Samsung seems to be playing it safe, but in the best possible way. Let us know what you're expecting from the Galaxy S26 Ultra in the comments below. And if you're hyped about what's coming next from Samsung, don't forget to subscribe. Big things are coming this summer, and trust me, you won't want to miss them. See you in the next one.